I am Travis Seaman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and a fellowship-trained foot and ankle specialist at OrthoUnited. I did my medical school in Fort Worth, Texas. I completed my degree there. I then did orthopedic residency in Cleveland, Ohio, which kind of brought me to Ohio from Texas and Louisiana. And I really loved Ohio. I kind of fell in love with the area. I did my fellowship at UPMC in Pittsburgh, and I wanted to stay in the area, so I found my job here. Well, I finished my fellowship in 2021, and then I joined what was then Spectrum Orthopedics, which then eventually merged into OrthoUnited shortly after that. I think our group is fantastic. This is the first group I joined right out of fellowship, but they have aside from having everything, everyone is extraordinarily collegial. We work very closely together to deliver the best care for our patients, and we share a lot of patients. If I find that someone has a knee problem that I'm unable to treat, I'll refer them to one of my partners who does complex knee surgery. If they have a shoulder problem that's outside of my scope, I'll refer them to one of our shoulder experts. I think everyone gets the best care possible because they see the best doctor for that problem, and we can sort of collaborate on that. You know, when we have problems, I can frequently just go talk to my partners. We're usually in the same building, and we can talk through problems and ensure that patients get good care. I think OrthoUnited is the best choice because we have the freedom and flexibility as an independent practice to deliver care the way we want, which is effective, efficient, and in a timely manner. You know, some of the larger organizations lack a little bit of the dynamic ability to move as quickly as we do. If you get hurt, you can usually be seen the same day. I essentially treat all orthopedic foot and ankle problems. I don't do complicated foot and ankle surgery in children, but I see all of the standard injuries in children, most of the common things, and very rarely we occasionally need to refer someone to Akron Children's, but I see essentially all foot and ankle injuries and all foot and ankle problems. From hammer toes to complex deformities around the ankle that require numerous surgeries. I do it all. So ankle replacement is a growing trend in the United States. There is a growing body of evidence that ankle replacement is going to be the gold standard for ankle arthritis. I am trained in ankle replacement. We did numerous ankle replacements in my fellowship, and I've done plenty of ankle replacements in practice, and the patients generally do very well. But still ensure that we're correcting deformities and correcting some of the underlying problems. The thing I really love about orthopedic foot and ankle surgery is it is truly comprehensive. I do surgeries on the forefoot, I do hammer toe deformity corrections, I do sports surgeries to get high-level athletes back to the field, I do horrible trauma, I do bad injuries, I fix broken bones, I do everything in my area. And I get to explore a lot of emerging and new technology, which is also very rewarding, being able to apply some of the newest, greatest, latest things and watch that help my patients do better and better. I don't think there's any reason to be afraid of making an appointment. I think that you can come in, we'll have a conversation about your problems, and we'll try to come up with a solution together that fits your needs.